Hey friends, AI Tech Think here, and let's talk about something that's been blowing my mind lately, artificial intelligence. We're talking 10 mind-blowing examples that are going to make you rethink everything. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about something we all love, entertainment. Whether it's Netflix recommending shows or Spotify curating playlists, AI is working its magic. It's analyzing what you watch, what you listen to, even how long you watch or listen, and then it's using that data to create a personalized experience just for you. But here's the thing, when AI is calling all the shots, are we really choosing what we like anymore? Or are we just stuck in a bubble of what the algorithm thinks we want? If you're only ever shown content similar to what you've already seen, how will you ever discover something new, something different, something that might actually blow your mind? The articles you read, the videos you watch, even the ads you see, it's all being curated by AI. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Next up, let's talk about the rise of the smart home. From smart speakers like Alexa and Google Assistant, to smart thermostats that learn your preferences, AI is becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. And yeah, it's pretty cool to control your lights with your voice or have your thermostat automatically adjust the temperature. But let's be real, all that convenience comes at a price. Data. Every time you interact with a smart device, it's collecting data about your habits, your routines, even your conversations. Do you really want a company knowing when you're home, when you're not, what time you wake up, what time you go to sleep? It's like having a digital shadow following you around, collecting information about your every move. These are important questions to consider, especially as we invite more and more smart devices into our homes. It's a trade-off, right? Convenience for privacy. But are we giving up too much? Let me know what you think. Okay, let's talk about those digital assistants we've all come to rely on. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, they're always there, ready to answer our questions, set reminders, even tell us jokes. But have you ever stopped to think about what's happening on the other side of that conversation? Every time you speak to your digital assistant, your voice is being recorded and sent to a server where it's being analyzed by, you guessed it, AI. Now the companies behind these devices say it's all anonymized and used to improve the system. But it still raises some eyebrows, right? I mean, how much of our private conversations are being recorded and stored? And what happens to that data if it falls into the wrong hands? Are we becoming too reliant on these digital assistants? Are we losing the ability to think for ourselves, to solve problems on our own? It's a slippery slope, and it's something we need to be mindful of as we navigate this increasingly AI-powered world. Chapter 4. Ads that follow you. Coincidence or conspiracy? Okay, this one's happened to all of us. You're browsing online, maybe for a new pair of shoes or a specific type of coffee, and suddenly, bam! Ads for that exact product are following you everywhere you go online. It's like they're reading your mind, right? Well, not quite. It's AI, and it's called targeted advertising. Companies are using AI to track your online activity, from your search history to your social media interactions, to create a detailed profile of your interests and preferences. Are we really making conscious choices about what we buy? Or are we being influenced by algorithms designed to exploit our desires and insecurities? It's a fine line, and it's something we need to be aware of as consumers. The next time you see an ad that seems eerily relevant to your life, remember, it's not magic, it's AI, and it's designed to get you to spend your money. Chapter 5. Getting hired by robots. Is AI the new HR? Okay, this next one's a little scary. Did you know that AI is now being used in hiring processes? That's right, companies are using algorithms to screen resumes, analyze video interviews, and even predict your job performance. Now, proponents of this technology argue that it helps eliminate bias and makes the hiring process more efficient. But critics worry that it could actually perpetuate existing biases and lead to unfair outcomes. If an algorithm is trained on data that reflects historical biases, it's likely to replicate those biases in its decision-making. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but it's something we need to be aware of as we enter an age where machines are playing an increasingly significant role in our lives, including our careers. Chapter 6. Money and banking bots. Who's managing your money? Let's talk about money, specifically how AI is changing the way we manage our finances. From fraud detection to investment advice, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into the financial sector. But here's the thing, When we rely too heavily on AI to manage our money, we risk losing control over our financial well-being. If we're blindly following the advice of a robo-advisor, are we really making informed decisions about our investments? Or are we just putting our financial future in the hands of an algorithm? These are important questions to consider as we navigate this increasingly automated financial landscape. Okay, let's talk about something we use all the time. GPS and mapping apps. They're incredibly convenient, right? No more fumbling with paper maps or asking for directions. Just punch in your destination and boom, you're on your way. But here's the thing. When we rely too heavily on GPS, we risk losing our natural sense of direction. Remember when we used to memorize routes, landmarks, even entire neighborhoods? Now we just blindly follow the blue dot on our screens. And it's not just about navigation. It's about our relationship with the world around us. When we're constantly staring at our phones, we miss out on the details, the unexpected discoveries, the serendipitous encounters that make life interesting. So, yeah, GPS is great, but maybe next time you're out and about, try putting your phone away for a bit and see what you discover. Chapter 8. Shopping Smarter or Not, the AI of Retail Therapy. Let's be real, we all love a little online shopping. And with AI-powered recommendation engines, it's easier than ever to find exactly what you're looking for, and maybe a few things you weren't looking for. But while those personalized recommendations can be helpful, they can also be incredibly persuasive, even manipulative. AI algorithms are designed to analyze your browsing history, your purchase history, even your social media activity to predict what you're most likely to buy. Have you ever added something to your cart just because it was recommended to you? Or because you saw that other people who bought that item also bought this other item? That's AI at work, subtly influencing your purchasing decisions. Are we really in control of our spending? Or are we being manipulated by algorithms designed to keep us perpetually buying things we don't need? Chapter 9, News Feeds Just for You, Living in a Bubble. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easier than ever to stay informed about current events. But here's the catch. The news we're seeing is often filtered and personalized by AI algorithms. When you open your social media feed or your favorite news app, you're presented with a curated selection of articles and stories that the algorithm thinks you'll find interesting. And while it might seem like a good thing, it can actually create echo chambers where we're only exposed to information that confirms our existing beliefs. When we're constantly bombarded with information that aligns with our worldview, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that everyone else sees the world the same way we do. But that's simply not true. There are countless perspectives, countless viewpoints, countless ways of interpreting the world around us. So yeah, AI-powered news feeds can be convenient, but it's important to be mindful of the potential for bias and to actively seek out diverse perspectives. Chapter 10, AI in Health. The future of medicine? Okay, last but not least, let's talk about something that's near and dear to all of us, our health. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, from diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments. AI can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, identify patterns in patient data that human doctors might miss, and even assist with complex surgeries. But as with any new technology, there are risks and challenges that we need to address. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If an algorithm is trained on data that's not representative of the entire population, it could lead to misdiagnoses or ineffective treatments for certain groups of people. Another concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's possible that it could automate some of the tasks currently performed by doctors and other healthcare professionals. Outro the future of AI, it's up to us. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing ways AI is secretly running our lives. From the entertainment we consume to the way we manage our finances, AI is everywhere. But here's the thing, AI is a tool, and like any tool it can be used for good or for evil. It's up to us, as informed citizens and consumers, to decide how we want to use this technology, and to ensure that it's developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. Thanks for watching.